My name is Nonima Tikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Something unusual is unfolding in the courtroom of Judge Rata, and it's really not making sense. So we are asking a lot of questions because, Sana, what do you mean? What do you mean? Sibanda, after Mshalolo was done with cross-examination, the state requested a 10-minute indulgence to speak with the defense lawyers regarding something. Judge Rata approved. They went and had a conversation. When Sibanda comes back, he's telling us that there's a section 205 of Mabungu Ntuli for the number that they were confidently saying it was Rose, it was Stain. They said it belongs to Ntuli, and they were told Yega Mabungu. Now, all of a sudden, they are accepting Yega Mabungu Ntuli. Because Mabungu Ntuli was said to be someone who was the one who was the photographer of the day. Now they are saying they want to use Mabungu Ntuli's section 205 to actually check the movement Mabungu and compare it with Eka accused number 3. The one thing that is quite interesting is that when Sibanda spoke about this, he said, we retrieved this information about Mabungu also on the Cleveland case of accused number 3 that he is currently serving time for. And then they are saying that so after checking these things yesterday, which was Monday, now they decided to contact the service provider. I suppose it's Vodacom or MTN or whoever, and they are saying that they requested for a section 205 yango 2014 of Mabungu Ntuli. Guys, isn't that shocking? Because if you remember, according to the state, what the state told the court, the state, guys, the state, a very important something that we must remember is that now, as they are talking about Section 205, when Vodacom forensic supervisor Upinki Vitalinga testified in 2024, she repeatedly explained that Vodacom does not retain certain subscriber or RICA information indefinitely. And then there was this thing, Yokuti, if E3 years has lapsed, you won't have that Section 205. Now, they are coming back to tell us that they have the Section 205 yango 2014 Kamabung. Excuse me? Excuse me? What do you mean? What do you mean? Because Haibo. Now, the one question that I'm having now, how can Vodacom have e-data 2014 and after Upinki from Vodacom told us that they don't keep it indefinitely, and they said in 3 years, 3 years after the effect. So what kind of data is this that they are bringing us? Because there was a data here they brought, and it was in an Excel sheet until Pinky came, and then we saw when was this one? Now the interest is, when was this one created or preserved? Where was it stored? How did it come into the state's possession right here, right now, after so many years? Guys, it's been, isn't it 12 years now? 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Kuye 12 ngoku. So ivelaphi. No, these people they must take us serious, guys. They actually do not take us serious, honestly. State do not take us seriously. So now they are actually telling Judge Rata Mogoateng they are in possession of, they said they phoned yesterday, phoned Upinki Vodacom, a service provider. Now, okay, we will have a conversation about that at a different video because I don't want this video to be long. Now, we have a lot of questions again as people that watch the case, because we are sitting here thinking, no, man, that cannot be, you cannot be correct to say you have a section 205 2014 because you said Now, I don't know how they are going to balance this equation, Abosiband, but for me, they must bring this, but they can't do it themselves. They are not the service provider. The service provider must come and answer. The service provider must be the one that comes and answer. That means we are very much capable of getting section 245 ka number 1 yango 2014 for the number that he was using back then. Eka number 2 for the number that he was using back then, we can get that. Eka number 4 for 2014, we can get that. Eka number 5 for 2014, Eka Constable Zungu. Those are the section 205 that we need. Actually, Eka Makosonke, Eka Gwabini, all 7 of them. I choose number 1, number 2, number 3, we already have. Number 4, number 5, number 6, number 5, ne? And then Constable Zungu, Makosonke, and Gwabini. We need all those section 205. Now, that is the one thing that they did not think about because they are desperate and they are dropping the ball. Now, this is going to result in the defense requesting for those section 205. Since you guys are able to get a section 205 Kama Bungu, please bring us the other section 205. On top of that, we need documentation. They're requesting affidavit for the Mabungu. For Mabungu, we need requesting affidavit for Mabungu's section 205. Can we see that? We want that documentation. Defense must ingabayeki. Ingalinge ibayeke defense. They must request all of that because clearly bayakwazi ukwenza amatshe abezizonga. They can turn stones into bread and bread into stones. They can turn water into wine. If the state can turn water into wine, then they must wine everything. Or they must wine everything again at this point because what do you mean? But they have. But they have, guys. So they must show us. Show us the money, Gesana. Now that is my wish. And when they get all of these section 205, each service provider must come and speak on their service provider data, not the state. That Kamnand is still defense case, so a defense must request. You guys are saying you got it yesterday? Well, if that is the case, let us request through the court. Please, Magbenjalo Bakwetu. Magbenjalo. What are your thoughts, Wena? Because now I'm quite excited. Bring us Zungu. Bring us, give me Zungu. Give me Zungu's section 205. Give me, I choose number 2, section 205. Give me, I choose number 1, section 205. Give me all of them so that we can compare the notes. And we don't want no bloody Excel. We want the section 205, which is in PDF form. That is what we want. Because desperation makes you make mistakes. Now they are getting desperate. Guys, what are your thoughts? Do you think I'm reaching when I say we must go and apply? Its defense must better go and apply for those section 205s to match the energy abobaloy. Match the energy abobaloy. What are your thoughts when it comes to that? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Please like the live, like the video, share the video, subscribe on the channel, and please watch the videos up until the end. You are helping the channel to grow. Thank you so much. My name is Noni Madikela, and this is the Noni M Podcast. I will see you on our next video. Do enjoy your day. Have a blessed one. Bye-bye.